So I just found some more clay right along the creek here on the bank, and I'm just testing it to see how plastic it is. Plastic in the context of clay means how workable, so how flexible it is. How much can you bend it, flatten it, shape it, and it still retain its shape and form. So the way you test that in the field is just by simply adding a little water to it, getting it mixed up, and then you just roll a little coil. Oh, there's fish jumping out. Oh man, I need to get fishing soon. And then you just want to wrap it around your finger. And if it breaks like that did there, that tells you that it's not very plastic.